1, 2, 3. Lights, sound, or a crisp, refreshing trailer? Play it.
Play it. That is amazing. That is amazing. Let me first start off by congratulating the both of you all.
Thank you.
Ladies, you make business look good. They are amazing.
Oh my God, that's so sweet. Thank you.
Thank you so much for being here. Hi. This is amazing. It's my honor to stand right next to you. Thank you so much. Shweta ji. We'll pass this to you. Thank you so much. Shweta ji, without giving away any spoilers, what do you think that the audience will enjoy most about your character in this show?
Okay, let me tell you. Have you heard of this term? No, not term, exactly. It's a drink. Whiskey on the rocks? My character is exactly like that.
Oh, wow.
I'm Leela on rocks because one sip and you know how dangerous she is.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Yes, that's what I'm going to tell you. And if you see, you've never seen me doing that ever. Even I've not seen myself doing anything like that ever. And I don't think I can do that again. But you are going to like Leela the most.
Oh, thank you. Thank you, Shweta ji. This is amazing. Neeraj sir, I'm going to pass that mic to you. Shweta ji, thank you so much. I'll be honest with you. Neeraj sir, आपको ना मैंने कभी fraud करते देखा है, ना सुना है, ना जुगाड़ करते हुए देखा है, ना सुना है. तो बताइए इस कहानी में आपका जो तड़का है वो कौन से किस्म का होने वाला है?
बड़ा मजेदार किस्म का ये किरदार है.
क्या बात है?
जो मैंने आज तक शायद इस तरह का किरदार परफॉर्म नहीं किया है. ये मैं ऐसा नहीं कहूँगी अलग है, बट ये जुगाड़ू नहीं है जैसे ये लोग हैं. ये बड़ा मज़ेदार किरदार है. ये एक किरदार है जिससे आपको मोहब्बत भी हो जाएगी, उसे आप नफ़रत भी करेंगे और अंत में शायद आप उसे दिल में रखते हुए रहेंगे. ये एक ऐसा बंदा है जो सही काम करता है और उसे बड़ा हल्का फुल्का तरीके से करता है. सो लॉट ऑफ एलिमेंट्स ऑफ कॉमेडी, समथिंग व्हिच आई हैव नेवर डन इन माय लाइफ टाइम, एंड क्वर्कीनेस थोड़ा सा उस किस्म का है.
I can't wait to see Neeraj Kabhi doing comedy and being quirky. I think we're all here for it, right? Give them a round of applause and thank them once again for being with us, Shweta. And Neeraj, thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you.
We'll be back in just a little bit. Thank you. In love, and this time it's going to be Jugaad, the producer of the series, Karan Johar. Very fantastic. This is my pun for the day, Karan. Please forgive me. Let me say you're looking fantastic. And of course,
thank you.
Season's greetings, as I say, because it's such a beautiful time in the city. So a little bit of traffic, but most of us are here. You've always had your finger on the audience's pulse, Karan. So I want to ask you, what made you think that Do You Want a Partner is a winning brew?
Well, it was my pickup line for Amazon.
Oh, this is great. That's amazing.
I think that that's something that we have always wanted to do is partner with I Think the Best. And I truly believe they're such a powerful streaming platform and are known for their tremendous content, have been OGs. You know, some of the most successful breakthrough shows have been on Prime, and like they have truly defined the content coming out of India. And it was also very exhilarating to, you know, kind of work in tandem with the entire team of Amazon, with Nikhil and Sahira and Gaurav and all of them. And Do You Want a Partner is actually very special to us for various reasons. A, we love shows led by women. We just absolutely love shows led by women. Some of the most strong content that has been made in our company has been, you know, women-oriented, and we say that in a good way because we believe that women really deserve the platform that they get today in every which way. This is a show about aspiration. It's a show about dreams coming true. It's a show about fun and chutzpah all in abundance. I think both Tamanna and Diana coming together and Do You Want a Partner truly has been a spectacular moment of casting for us. Also, Archit and Colin directing it, Apurva and Somen walking hand in hand. The whole journey has been so tremendous, and the show is just loads of fun. It's what I quintessentially call like the most fun you'll have when you watch all of it in a binge.
Wow.
It truly is something that we're very excited at Dharmatic about, and we can't wait for everyone to watch it.
Karan, I just want to say you've always been our bae. So give it up for Karan Johar, guys.
Thank
This
you.
is amazing.
Thank
and
you.
thank you so much.
Thank you
I believe
so
you're going to
much.
join
Thank
us right there in the front of house. What about Do You Want a Partner felt so fresh and compelling that you knew that we had to make this show?
So, good afternoon, everyone. Wonderful to see all of you here. Thank you for making it. So, at the very onset, the very first thing that really excited us about the show is exploring a universe which you've really not seen on screen earlier. It's a very, very fresh take on romance, love, friendship, and once you see it, you'll realize that it's absolutely incredible. And it's the great thing about this show is that it doesn't take itself too seriously. And at the same time, it makes a very strong message about empowering women and the challenges that they face and how they overcome them. So it's a truly unique new concept, and we're hoping everyone really enjoys watching it.
Well, thank you so much, Apurva, for that. So, Min, as the creative force of the show, behind the show, I'm curious, how much did you have to deep dive into the world of startup founders while shaping the story? What was the spark that caught this story bubbling?
You know, you'd always hear stories from friends who are at the IIT, IIM type, those who moved to Bangalore or to Gurgaon and running the startup. All those bizarre stories, they're funny, they're unbelievable. All the hustle culture and what we call the jugaad culture, but also what happened when one of the writers, Mithun is here, Mithun and Nishanta, the creators of the show, it happened with his mom after his dad passed away. She was trying to sell the family car.
Wow.
But everyone will talk, and she's a practicing doctor, but everyone will still ask, अच्छा घर में आदमी कौन है? मतलब पैसे की बात तो आदमी will do. So that was the trigger point for them, and then you realize when you move into the startup culture, things don't change. The moment there are female entrepreneurs and there's beverage and beer, then it's very different. So that gives us an idea to go into the terrain that's not explored.
Absolutely.
And then you're talking to all those experiences, then we have put. Of course, there's a creative liberty to it, but the idea is to do fun with it.
You know, it looks like a lot of fun, and they're going to see the first look of that today. I'm very excited. The trailer will drop in just a little bit with you guys, our esteemed audience. But for right now, Somen and Apurva, thank you for giving me company on the stage, and please take a seat. Thank you. इस बार क्या नया पेश करेंगे?
पार्टनरशिप जो होती है ना, वेरी अनयूजुअल. आई लव दिस होल थिंग बिकॉज जब मैंने स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ी और ये पार्टनर का जो एटीट्यूड बिटवीन दीज टू वुमेन एंड द काइंड ऑफ एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप एंड द बोल्डनेस और जो जुगाड़ किया उन्होंने, तो एंड आई जस्ट समथिंग केम टू माइंड, यू नो, ये जो when you have to agree with your partner sometimes, a lot of the times, when you come into an argument, you know, it's like reading those terms of use on the internet. You know, eventually you get fed up and you have to say, I agree. So, ये भी ऐसा ही कुछ था जो स्क्रिप्ट में हमने पढ़ा. And the team, for an actor, it is so amazing to get the, see, normally क्या होता है, कहीं ना कहीं weakest link होगा. स्क्रिप्ट अच्छी है, डायरेक्टर अच्छा नहीं है, प्रोड्यूसर अच्छा नहीं है, it was not presented well, co-actors अच्छे नहीं है, but यहाँ पे आपको जिस chain है, it's such a fantastic chain with the best of producers, the best of channel presentations, the creative team, best of actors, and the director, the team of directors we had was so and merely it was an honor and a pleasure, sheer pleasure for an actor to get a team like this. So,
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir. Nakul, over to you. First of all, can we all celebrate a very important personal victory for Nakul and the family? Congratulations. This month, I must say, Touch Wood has been all about good news. So are you excited about the fact that Do You Want a Partner का trailer launch भी इसी महीने हो रहा है?
Thank you. I'm over the moon. I'm also sleepless and nervous and anxious and you know मेरा actually थोड़ा भ्रम था जो अर्जित और कॉलिन ने अभी तोड़ा. मैं यहाँ पर आ रहा था and I thought that you know the reason I said yes to the show is because I thought before the episode comes there will be na 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 na.
Yeah.
I just learned that Prime Video doesn't play that before. So I think before आप लोग show देखें उसके पहले आप खुद गा देना.
Cute.
But I was very excited about that. But it's been a phenomenal team, like Sir said. This is my second time working with Javed Sir and first time with Colin and Archit, and they've been absolutely fabulous. And The show literally belongs to the ladies. It's Tamanna and Diana all the way, and we're just happy. We're in good company. Yeah.
Thank you, both of you gentlemen. We couldn't have had a better start to our cast. Kindly take
Thanks, Roni.
your place inside because I believe you're going to come back in just a little bit. Thank you so much, Javed sir. Thank you so much, Nakul.
हेलो
हेलो
Yes!
कैसे हैं सब आज? ये शो का ट्रेलर आपने देख लिया, सो फाइनली आई एम वेरी वेरी हैप्पी एंड एक्साइटेड कि आप लोगों ने ये ट्रेलर देखा है. 50 दिन, ये पूरा शो जो 8 एपिसोड्स का है वो हमने 50 दिन में शूट किया. The whole team, I think everyone is extremely invested, emotional about this particular story. A, because it celebrates female friendships. And what I'm so happy about that we're showing as a center for our show is the whole startup culture. उसको एक बहुत ही entertaining तरीके से आपके लिए हम पेश कर रहे हैं. तो जब हम ये सीन्स शूट कर रहे थे और ये किरदार निभा रहे थे, it's been one of the most exhilarating and fun experiences, and also like an emotional roller coaster. क्योंकि when we were shooting the show, I think we were all discovering these amazing parts that were written for us, and I'm so thankful to Archit, to Colin, for making a show that truly celebrates बहनhood. Because bromance तो काफ़ी देखा हुआ है, love stories भी काफ़ी देख ही रहे हैं, लेकिन एक sisterhood के ऊपर एक genuine, also as a woman I always wanted people to actually see strong female friendships, and this show has so much of that. You guys are gonna love it, and I think it's a show that everyone is going to really relate to in different parts. So I know you आपका सवाल तो बहुत simple था, लेकिन I couldn't help myself because it's too long a journey to encapsulate in a few words. But I'm extremely thankful to Karan. He is somebody who constantly champions stories that make his female characters, actors always look super strong. Any woman in his in the films that he produces or directs always are in the forefront. And it's funny, we shot this show a year ago, but इस किस्म का शो एक साल में भी किसी ने भी बनाने की कोशिश नहीं की, which is interesting for us as actors to watch, क्योंकि हर 2 महीने में इतना कुछ बदल रहा है. और ऐसे दौर में भी अगर एक साल में किसी ने इस किस्म की स्टोरी बनाने की कोशिश नहीं की, it says a lot about. So thank you, Karan. I can't see where you are, but okay. Thank you for making a show like this. And for me, a person who's extremely someone who's very close to my heart, Nikhil Madhok. Prime Video ने मुझे इतना support किया है as an actor, इतना collaborate किया है मेरे साथ. मैं genuinely जब हम औरतों की stories बताते हैं ना, ये सिर्फ अगर आपको सिर्फ प्रोमो में आपको ये सब दिख रहा होता और ये बैक एंड में ऐसा नहीं होता तो शायद मुझे कहीं बुरा लगता, लेकिन जेन्युइनली प्राइम वीडियो की पूरी टीम, उन्होंने इतना सपोर्ट किया है। सायरा, थैंक यू सो मच। हमने आपको बहुत 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 परेशान किया, लेकिन आपने हमें इतने प्यार से हमारी हर फीडबैक को इतने खूबसूरती से आपने ऐड किया, और आज ये जो शो दिख रहा है, प्रोमो हो या शो हो, आई थिंक अपूर्वा सर, थैंक यू। यू गाइज हैव बिन सच अ बिग सपोर्ट सिस्टम फॉर अस। आई डोंट थिंक हम ये स्टोरी बाहर ला पाते अगर ये हम सबका जेन्युइन कोलैबोरेशन नहीं होता। एंड आपने हमें इतना सपोर्ट किया है कि आई एम जस्ट एक्सट्रीमली ग्रेटफुल एंड थैंकफुल। एंड वी हैव द मोस्ट अमेजिंग क्रू एंड अमेजिंग एक्टर्स, जो अगर मैं एक और शब्द बोलूँ तो लोग मुझसे माइक ले लेंगे, इसीलिए मैं किसी और को बात करने दूंगी, फिर मैं वापस इस पे आऊँगी क्योंकि मुझे बहुत सारी बातें बतानी हैं आपको, लेकिन आई होप अभी किसी और को बात करने दूं।
हम आपके पार्टनर से ही सुनना चाहते
बिल्कुल,
हैं।
please,
डायना,
No, it's okay now. She said everything.
everything.
No,
You
it's
know, let
fine,
me
it's
tell
fine,
you,
it's
in
fine.
every Jodi, it's always like this. There's one who does the talking, and the
And
other
one who
one's
does the
like
listening.
Yeah, and the one who's doing the listening. But still, Diana, I want to say there has to be a few words from your side, because I know that you feel what Tammy said in equal and more measure. Please go for it.
Absolutely. But I want to start by saying my OTT debut is here. Finally.
Let's get into it.
The last time we were on the stage announcing it, I was very excited that I would be doing my first OTT show. And now finally, it's here. So I'm very excited. And I couldn't be more excited that it is with Dharmatic and with Prime Video. And like you said, we have so much to be thankful for, to Karan, to Apurva, to Prime Video, Nikhil, to Archit and Colin, for all the patience and for also really, really trusting us with this script. Like Tamanna said, it is about two girls, and it's really about the friendship, and it's a very real friendship. There's nothing about it that's, you know, over the top or something that you won't believe in. When you watch it, you're going to really feel the way you feel with your best friend. The way they fight, the way they hang out, the way they party, the way they, you know, it's very, very real. And of course, two girls in a man's world, you know, entrepreneurship, you know, it's about startups. And like Karan very rightly put it backstage, it's a very snacky show. So I told Karan, I'm going to use this word in every promotion. It's a very snacky show. It's just something that it's fun and it's light. And I'm just really, really proud of us, and just really happy that I got to work with this amazing cast and with Archit and Colin. So yes,
How
thank
lovely.
you.
Thank you so much. I do also want to say that the two of you, okay, are like female friendship goals, all right? I want to have a bestie like that, okay, who has
And you know
my
what's
back.
great? I mean, since you brought it up, is that it came very naturally. Like, I think you can ask. I mean, you better say the same thing. It was very natural. We were just
पोल खोल दूंगी या मैं बोल रही हूँ तुमको, सब तुम्हारे बता दूंगी।
Arey, let me talk, yeah.
We are going to give Tamanna her own mic. Please, can we pass
No,
it
no,
on
no,
to
no, no,
her?
no, no, no,
No.
no, 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 no.
यार बांटने से बढ़ता है।
Even with my mic, she's only talking.
Mic बांटने से नहीं बढ़ता।
So this was the chemistry on set, and we didn't have to try too hard. It just flowed. It was very effortless. So yeah, very, very grateful to have you as my partner in this partners show.
How amazing. Thank you so much, both of you. I remember that Tamanna said she still has a thank you to do. Shall we give you the mic again?
Somain, are you there?
Somain is here.
Somain, thank you so much. Like I can't, like for me, each and every person on this show is extremely, like there's so much creative work gone from the script level to the show fully being produced. Archit and Somain have like literally treated it like their baby, and to be honest, nobody has, like, you know, they've all been very protective about this show. So it's very unique. मैंने बहुत सी फिल्में की हैं, and जब हम बड़े पर्दे के लिए जो फिल्में करते हैं, उसमें एक अलग मज़ा है क्योंकि वो एक अलग ऑडियंस को enjoy करने के लिए हम बनाते हैं. But I feel लॉन्ग फॉर्म इन जनरल ऐसा एक फॉर्मेट है जहाँ पर आप अपने स्पेस में देखते हैं और जैसे कि डायना ने कहा इट्स अ वेरी स्नैकी शो बट आई ट्रूली बिलीव दैट आपने कभी वो पिज़्ज़ा का स्लाइस खाया है जब आप खा रहे होते हो और इतना टेस्टी होता है कि आप इमोशनल हो जाते हो कि इतना टेस्टी पिज़्ज़ा कैसे हो सकता है मतलब पिज़्ज़ा अगर नहीं होता तो हमारी लाइफ में मज़ा नहीं होता आपको वो इमोशन अगर आपने कभी एक्सपीरियंस किया है तो ये शो एग्जैक्टली आपको वैसे महसूस कराएगा कि आप देख तो रहे हो मज़े के लिए लेकिन आप रुक जाओगे और बोलोगे इसने तो मेरे दिल को छू लिया ये हमारी कोशिश रही है ये तो मैं बहुत प्राउडली क्लेम कर रही हूँ बट आई होप ये आपको ऐसा महसूस करा सके हम एंड वी हैव एन अमेजिंग स्टेज फुल ऑफ लेट मी स्टार्ट ऑफ विद जावेद सर आई डोंट थिंक दिस एंटायर शो can be made without Javed sir's presence.
Woo!
Because he is
Period.
So true.
he is such a I mean I have to say he's like the soul. There is a moment when I was watching the show and I've had the good fortune of watching the entire show, which normally doesn't happen before doing a promotional activity like this. But when I saw, I was like, thank you sir. आप boogie woogie के time से आपको देखती आई हूँ. I'm also a boogie woogie reject. So now I feel like my life has come to a full circle that I've had the opportunity to work with you. And my life has truly enough come to a full circle because I don't think बहुत लोग जानते हैं but नीरज काबी सर जो यहाँ पर हैं ये मेरे लाइफ में मेरे पहले एक्टिंग टीचर हैं और उनके साथ मुझे स्क्रीन शेयर करने का मौका मिला. I swear to God, while you saw that dialogue being said there, I can't tell you, my whole life was flashing in front of me because मैं एक 13 साल की लड़की थी जो सिर्फ एक्टिंग सीखना चाहती थी और I have to tell you, नीरज सर हमें बिना किसी पेमेंट के सिखाते थे. He had a group full of actors, young actors who just wanted to become actors. हम बच्चे थे, हमें नहीं पता है कि हम एक्चुअली एक्टर्स बन भी पाएंगे कि नहीं लेकिन उन्होंने हमें सपोर्ट किया एंड मैं और काफ़ी और मतलब हम 13 बच्चे होते थे उस ग्रुप में और उन 13 बच्चों ने एक्चुअली आई एम श्योर व्हेन वी डू इंटरव्यूज आई रिवील दोज नेम्स देर ऑल पीपल हु आर नाउ अ पार्ट ऑफ द फिल्म फ्रेटर्निटी एंड दे आर डूइंग सम ग्रेट वर्क सो ही हैज़ मेंटोर्ड us as kids and just sharing the space was so again it is naturally so emotional for me that we're able to do this together. Shweta ma'am it's very interesting that we are working, after this show we are also working on another project together. I don't know what it is but we've had this instant chemistry the moment we were on screen together and it was one of those things where मुझे बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है क्योंकि नॉर्मली हमें एज फीमेल एक्टर्स इतने सारे विमेन के साथ इंटरेस्टिंग कैरेक्टर्स प्ले करने का मौका नहीं मिलता. लाइक ऑफकोर्स इंटरेक्शंस होते हैं we play characters but I think this has been really like wholesome to perform. And Nakul, there's so much joy when I see you performing and I remember हमने सबसे मुश्किल गर्मी में ये सीन्स शूट किए हैं, लंबे सीन्स शूट किए 10 पेज डायलॉग के and he was just such a trooper. He would come and हम सब लोग एकदम से रिलैक्स हो जाते थे because we were like okay now we have we are all going to do this scene and we are all going to pull it off. And I have to say Archit, I really think this is going to leave a very big impact on the audiences for the kind of work that you're going to put out. And to be honest, I'm looking forward to just seeing your work as a filmmaker. You're such, I mean, बहुत कम directors होते हैं जो actors का नब्ज पकड़ सकते हैं. ये ऐसी कुछ बात बोल देंगे कि आप में से कुछ ऐसा निकल आएगा कि आपको पता ही नहीं था कि ये आप में था भी. So Archit, that talent, and I can promise you, I've had the good fortune. जब मैंने अपना करियर शुरू किया था लोग बोलते थे कि आप बबली कैरेक्टर्स प्ले करिए. पहले 10 साल उसमें कट गए बबली कैरेक्टर्स प्ले करते करते. फिर अगले 10 साल आए उसमें लोगों ने बोला बी स्ट्रॉन्ग वुमेन, लेट्स बी स्ट्रॉन्ग वुमेन एंड लेट्स प्ले स्ट्रॉन्ग कैरेक्टर्स. लेकिन Archit has come and said, can we actually show how powerful strong women are made? Let's make a show on that. And that's the show we are making for you. We made for you the journey of how powerful women are actually made, and two very different kind of powerful women. For me, Diana was just someone who was like, she it's true, I'm very lucky. I have some wonderful female friendships in my life, and Dinah is very much a part of it. We also hang out without like work, and I feel like I'm so lucky that it's very important in a show like this for the two co-actors to actually have that chemistry and have that genuine support for each other, because it's a lot of work together. And she was just there for me all throughout, and she supported me so much on days that were very, very hard. And she eats a packet of cookies every time she's in stress. And like I said, I'm going to whistle blow a bit. And then I started to eat a packet of cookies every time I was stressed.
But where did that come from?
And then that's what led to like, इनको तो कुछ नहीं होता और मेरा तो कुछ और ही हो गया साइज कुकीज खाते खाते इसके जैसे. तो इसका जो प्रभाव रहा है मुझ पर एक अच्छे फ्रेंड की तरह बुरा रहा है. So she's been a very good friend because she's had all the bad influence on me. And Colin, इस शो में जो धमाल है ना, अगर इस शो में धमाल है तो ये आपके लिए है. I don't think this show would be as humorous, as fun, as light-hearted, as snackable as it is. Colin, your timing, your instructions to bring out that humor out of us, which is the most difficult emotion in acting. Thank you. You brought that most difficult emotion so effortlessly to us. Sufi, he is going to just blow your mind. It's his acting debut.
Let's
Sir
go.
तो वैसे भी बहुत ही मतलब popular है, famous है. चुरा तुम्हारी भी पोल खोल दूं क्या?
Please.
खोल दूं?
Yes. 100%.
ये जो दिखते हैं ना इंटरनेट पे, ये वैसे एक्चुअली हैं नहीं. ये बहुत ही प्यारे हैं, बहुत ज्यादा प्यारे हैं और
And
soft
this is
भी
not
हैं.
paid. This is
और
organic. She
सॉफ्ट
organically
भी हैं
sings.
और हगेबल भी हैं और वो प्यारापन आपको इस शो में दिखेगा. Have I?
You've covered everybody.
Yes.
Let's go.
I have.
Yes.
Rohini.
is left.
Rohini, you're such a good host, Rohini.
Thank you.
You've done
so
such a
much.
good job, Rohini.
Thank you.
I
But we
can't
need
do
to
this
go
without
around
you,
and
Rohini.
around and say all the good
Thank
things
you.
about Tamanna now.
Wait,
She was
hang on.
literally.
No,
Sorry,
no,
I've
no.
taken.
I'll
तो
tell
एक
you
दिन
why.
वाला होना चाहिए था ना. आपका पूरा ये दिन एक दिन पूरा होना चाहिए था.
देखिए सिंपल सी बात है. I think what you did today was so unlike a rehearsed press conference, and I want to give Tamanna kudos for that. It rarely ever happens. Also, Prime, thanks for giving us the space. Honestly, because otherwise it's never like this. All right. The second thing I want to say is I'm changing your name Tamanna to Bhavna because ये भावना में बह गई. बहुत मजा आया सबको, है ना? Give her a lot of love.
Please
and a
मुझसे
round of
mic
applause.
छीन लो, guys. छीन लो.
छीन लो. नहीं, आप mic रखेंगे because the mics are going to go to our friends from the media. You know the drill. You're going to ask a question. Don't forget to tell us who you want to ask the question to, and they'll answer your question.
Just a moment. Can I just take
Yes, sir.
a moment, if you don't mind? Just give me a moment to just respond to what Tamanna spoke. First of all, thank you, Tamanna, for saying this. Yes, she was a 13-year-old kid when she came to do this workshop with me. But today she spoke a lot. I've never heard her speaking so much. And that is very good. She spoke a lot of sense, actually. Everything, every word she said makes a lot of meaning to what the show is all about. But in those days when she was doing this workshop, 13 साल की बच्ची, वो हंसती नहीं थी ज़्यादा. And she was extremely serious about what she used to do. She still retains that quality till date. She takes every moment of her work like it is the last thing that she's going to do in her life. And she works with that intensity. Whatever it is, even if it's slightly comic or if it's something light, but she's there, she's thinking of ideas, she's experimenting. Even while we're taking the shot, she comes up with ideas to tell the director. All this was a beautiful moment for me to look at this little girl who came as 13, and today she is whatever her age is. But she has really grown up to be a very wonderful person and a person who really admires her craft. Whatever she's doing, she really takes it seriously and she works with that intensity. And that's something very beautiful about you.
How
Really
beautiful.
lovely. Yeah, that's all I want to say.
No,
Thank
this
you.
is beautiful. Thank you. And as I said, it's very rare that we can have the space to be real and honest. And I think that was the grace given to us today.
Archit, now it's time for you to sing our praises.
Archit,
How
are you
well-
going to
how-
say anything?
What wonderful actors you were blessed to have, and how lovely we all were to you and on set. Na? Bolo na.
Backstage.
Acha.
Lovely, lovely. So our friends from the media, I hope the mics are with you. You can raise your hand, a mic comes to you, and you can ask your question. Yes, sir.
Hi, so Abhimanyu this side from Hindustan Times, and I have a question from Tamanna. Hi, this side. Because we haven't heard you talking enough, so I thought I'd just put one more question to you. First of all, congratulations to everyone for the trailer. It looks lovely, looks very fun. Tamanna, I want to ask that you're just switching genres like every 6 months. It's wonderful to see you do that. It's a two-parter question. First is, what kind of, did you, because it's a fun show, but still grounded in reality, so was there any sort of research to play an entrepreneur, startup founder? And also, kudos for keeping it feminine while being a girl boss. That's to the makers as well as for you guys.
नहीं बिल्कुल thank you for the question. For me, I definitely wanted, of course we knew it's a dramedy and it's a fun show, but we also wanted people to come on a genuine journey of how a startup is built. A lot of people helped me figure out what am I going to do for this character Shikha, but somebody who really helped me was Vinita Jain. She's somebody I worked with in the past, and she was very kind enough to actually take us through the processes and the hardships that one has to go through while you are building a business. And in the show, as you see, I'm more of a marketing person, and I'm more of more of a founder space where it's the thought and the seed of the brand comes from this girl. But I think it's the journey which has so many interesting ups and downs, which I think you guys are going to love. And आपने जो कहा कि Archit and Colin both were very, very specific. They were like, आप लोग लड़कियां हो, आपको कोई ज़रूरत ही नहीं है इसको मैनली बनाने की, या जो औरतों में जो पावर होता है वो अलग होता है. आपकी वल्नरेबिलिटी आपकी सबसे बड़ी स्ट्रेंथ है. इनफैक्ट the true superpower of a woman is the fact that she's always underestimated. And I'm sure all women in this group, in this entire space, at some point of time or the other, have felt underestimated. And that becomes the biggest strength for a woman to actually use that and turn tables around. So yeah, that was the essential seed of what we did, and I hope you guys watch it and love it.
Thank you so much for your question, and thank you for the answer. Yes, ma'am.
My question is for Shweta. Hi, I'm Srijita from Filmfare. Hi, this side. So we have seen you play so many iconic characters over the years. What was the one thing that was special for you about Do You Want a Partner, and what can your fans expect?
Yeah. Let me tell you first about this character, how this character was actually made. When I met Archit and Colin, this character was absolutely different. Her dressing style and everything was very, very different. So when we met Archit and we started doing our trials for our clothes, they were trying to understand the character, what is she going to wear, how she's going to look. So I started wearing westerns, of course. I started wearing jeans, leather bands, skirts, all kind of clothes. And then Archit said, "Ma'am, what if we give you a sari?" I said, "Sari दोगे आप तो मैं वही लगूंगी जो इतने सालों से लगती आ रही हूँ. Then there's no change in the character." तो इन्होंने कहा कि साड़ी लोगों को लगता है कि जो औरत पहनती है वो बहुत कमज़ोर होगी या फिर शाय होगी, और जो स्कर्ट पहनती है वो बोल्ड होंगी. But we are going to change that concept. And we're going to make you a normal cotton saris. And when you come on the screen, पूरे शो में तुमसे ज़्यादा strong ही कोई नहीं लगेगा. And that's what he's made me do. When I wore that sari, I've worn sari all my life, you all know about it. But when Leila wears sari and she holds that cigarette, and when she comes on the screen, you get scared of her. So, and I never thought I'll be able to do something like this. I'll be able to abuse and use bad words the way Leila's doing in the show. It was a discovery. They had that faith. I don't know how they ever thought when they said, आपको ये करना है. मैंने सोचा कैसे, मेरे बारे में कैसे सोचा, कैसे लगा कि मैं कर सकती हूँ. It was impossible. मैंने खुद सोच के पढ़ा तो मैंने कहा ये मैं कैसे कर सकती हूँ. बट दे सेड आप ही कर सकती हैं. एंड ऑफ कोर्स जब कोई गंदी गालियाँ देनी आती थी, I used to get very upset and scared. She would hold my hand, कहती यही गाली जोर से बोलो, इसको बोलो, उसको बोलो, उसको बोलो. And Tamanna kept making me, you know, वो fear निकालना जो था, every time I would say something and then he would make me repeat. It was Archit. Because of Arjit and Tamanna, I was able to do this character. I have to tell you this.
Amazing.
So they were a great support.
Thank you, Shweta ji. That was beautiful. Thank you for that question. Let's move on to our next question.
Hello. First of all, congratulations to the team. The trailer looks amazing. And my question is to Sophie. Hi, Sophie. So, first of all, congratulations for your debut.
Thank you.
And I want to know, how was your first day on the set?
My first day on set actually was very anxiety driven. I was very anxious because I never really knew that I wanted to be an actor. I never knew like how anything goes. So I was just worried if I was even gonna like be able to do what I have, you know, signed up for. But I mean, with both of my directors, I think I'm blessed that I had the most nicest, kindest directors. And they just let me go off and riff off and say whatever I had crazy in my mind for Firdaus. So I just got to have fun. I had lots of fun on my first day with both of these divas as well, because all my scenes are with her. I sadly don't have any scenes with Neeraj sir, Shweta ma'am, which I am going to request for in season 2. But my first day was iconic. 10 out of 10 if you ask me.
Thank you, Sufi, and thank you for that question. Our next question, please.
Hi, Javed sir. My question is to you from Samina here from Zoom channel. What do you have to say playing such a pivotal role, and at the same time, you know, there is a mixture of different people with different characteristics. What do you have to say about that?
So, the first thing, once I went through the whole script, so I'm the only one in this series playing a double role, in a way, because I play 2 different characters because of these girls. और इनकी जो जोड़ी है, ऐसी जोड़ी तो फॉस्टर करने से भी नहीं आएगी. चलो ठीक है. Anyway, खैर. They are used to my. So वो पिज्जा वाला मैं ट्राई करूँगा. ये जो तुमने कहा था ना कि पिज्जा खाते हुए जो इमोशंस आते हैं, नेक्स्ट टाइम आई हैव अ पिज्जा आई ट्राई टू लुक इनटू द इमोशनल फैक्टर ऑफ कि ये पिज्जा में इमोशंस कैसे आते हैं. होता है अलग है. टॉपिंग मांगते हो तो यू हैव इमोशनल टॉपिंग्स ऑल्सो, कुछ पता नहीं. एनीवे, सॉरी अबाउट दैट, आई जस्ट डाइवर्ट. सो फॉर मी दिस द वे इट वाज रिटन, जिस तरह से इस कैरेक्टर को डेवलप किया, उसमें एक इमोशनल एक ग्राफ है जहाँ से वो आया है, उसका बैकग्राउंड, उसकी एक ट्रेजेडी एक ज़िंदगी में हुई है किसकी वजह से, और किस मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग से ये समझते हैं कि मैं ये कर पाऊँगा. इट्स एक्चुअली बहुत फ़नी भी है और बहुत एक तरह से एक ट्रैजिक भी है. सो फॉर मी एज एन एक्टर इट वाज अमेजिंग. एंड जैसे कि इन्होंने बहुत सब कुछ कह दिया तमन्ना जी ने, बहुत उसको मैं रिपीट नहीं करूँगा. बट अर्चित द वे ही डेवलप द स्क्रिप्ट एंड वर्किंग विद बोथ ऑफ देम, ये 2 अलग किस्म के डायरेक्टर हैं लेकिन इतने अच्छे, मतलब दे मर्ज टुगेदर सो वेल. एक ये जो हार्मनी हुई इनकी, बिकॉज कॉलिन इज दिस ग्रेट फन, ही इज द क्वाइटर काइंड ऑफ यू नो गाय हु थिंग्स सो, बट द वे दे हैव डिवाइडेड द सीन्स एंड हाउ दे हैव एग्जीक्यूटेड इट इज बीन एन अमेजिंग जर्नी फॉर मी एज एन एक्टर. एंड बहुत मजा आया. और सारे एक्टर्स स्पेशली तमन्ना, डायना कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन, सूफी कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन, डेब्यूज. एंड नीरज भाई के साथ मेरा एक, मतलब मेरी जिंदगी का एक, मैं कभी नहीं भूलूंगा वो एक सीक्वेंस है. वो आप लोग जब सीरीज देखोगे तो this was how when we get involved as actors into characters, then we can't say cut because it's continuing. And it was a very emotional moment. मेरे इस life का, I have never had this kind of interaction with an actor. And total Neeraj bhai, this is my 3rd series with him. Brilliant, amazing actor, so much to learn, and it's so good working with the team.
Thank you.
And Shweta के साथ भी जिस तरह से हमारा एक relationship है वो बहुत ही unusual और मज़ेदार है. And so it was fantastic working, brilliant. I loved it. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Samina, for that question. Can we move on to our
Hi,
next?
this is Shweta from IWM Bus here this side.
At the back?
Yeah, back.
There. Thank you.
सर नीरज सर, मैं आपके लिए एक क्वेश्चन है.
Yeah.
हमने हमेशा आपको एक इंटेंस कैरेक्टर सबसे ज़्यादा प्ले करते हुए देखा है. इस बार काफ़ी जॉली कैरेक्टर है. वी लव योर डांसिंग पार्ट ऑल्सो इन ट्रेलर. कितना मज़ा आया आपको ये कैरेक्टर प्ले करने के लिए, अपार्ट फ्रॉम प्लेइंग अ इंटेंस ऑलवेज?
अरे बहुत मजा आया. I have never ever imagined that I would do it personally myself, and I think it's also the credit to both the directors more than anything else, because when I used to think of an idea or a way of performing the character, they were never putting in their ideologies or their thought process into what I should do or what I should not do. That space was so beautifully given to me. And what you see me doing right now is something I could not even imagine personally myself, doing it in front of a camera. I've done this in theatre many, many years ago when I used to do theatre. Tab main karta tha. Just to get audience applause. That's what I used to do. But now this, I was not prepared to do this in front of a camera where I knew that the entire world is going to watch this. But it just opened up because of the two directors. Both of them, I did scenes with both of them. And every time I did this, I thought of ideas that would come. They were quirky, they were crazy. But in real life also, I'm a lot like that as a human being. I'm not as serious as you see me doing my roles. I'm not that kind of a person at all. It's only in my performances. So ये बड़ा मजा है मुझे करते हुए और जो मैं देख भी रहा हूँ बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है मुझे देखते हुए. I hope you like it, yeah.
Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Narinder Bhutani here. Tamanna, hi Tamanna. First of all,
Hi,
ओए, क्या हो रहा है,
Tamanna.
ओए?
Hi.
Hi.
Iska expression, y'all didn't see it.
Yes.
Look at this.
We saw,
Then
yeah.
you have देखिए his expression. Tamanna, hi Tamanna.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. And Tamanna, for you it is. जो फीमेल ड्रिवन स्टोरी टेलिंग होती है वो किस तरह से अलग होती है. बीच में मैं रोक के निखिल सर आपको कंग्रेचुलेट करना चाहूँगा सर. मतलब फीमेल ड्रिवन स्टोरीज आई थिंक आनी चाहिए. आई रिमेंबर 4 More Shots प्लीज़ मेरा फेवरेट शो था. एंड आई वॉज टॉकिंग टू कीर्ति कुल्हारी एंड शी वॉज लाइक कि जो लड़के थे वो अफ्रेड होते थे वो शो देखने के लिए. बट मैंने उनको मैंने इंटरव्यू के अंदर बोला था कि नहीं, आई लव दैट शो एंड आई एम प्राउड ऑफ इट कि हाँ वो एक शो बना, उसके 4 सीजन्स आए, अब ये शो की शुरुआत हो रही है. ओवर टू यू अगेन मैम. सो ये किस तरह से अलग बनाता है एंड आपका कैसा एक्सपीरियंस था इसके अंदर? फीमेल ड्रिवन स्टोरीज कैसे अलग होती हैं? इनफैक्ट वो बहुत मोर पावरफुल होती है. मैं उसके अंदर ऐड करना चाहूँगा, सॉरी.
I think, you know what, she got it. I think
Yeah.
she needs,
I just want to say that normally कहा जाता है कि एक सक्सेसफुल आदमी के पीछे एक औरत होती है. वैसे ही एक सक्सेसफुल औरत के पीछे there are lots of strong men supporting. And in our case, it's been the wonderful pillars of Prime Video, Dharmatic, Archit, Colin, and the entire cast and crew. And मैं सच में बोल रही हूँ, मेरे अपने लाइफ में मैं आपको एक बात बता सकती हूँ कि मेरे पिताजी एक्चुअली मेरे लिए सबसे बड़ा सपोर्ट सिस्टम रहे हैं. और आज मैं आपके सामने एक बहुत ही प्यारे जर्नलिस्ट ने मुझसे कहा कि आप इतने अलग अलग किरदार निभाती हैं. Once I'm doing a Tamil film, I'm doing a Telugu film, I'm doing a song, then I'm doing a show. How am I able to do all that? I have so much support at home from my father, from my brother, and such wonderful men in my life. And इसीलिए जब लोग शायद हमें पर्दे पर देखते हैं या किसी इंटरव्यू में देखते हैं, मैं कहना चाहूँगी उन सब मर्दों से, अपने घर में जो आपकी औरतें हैं उन्हें सपोर्ट कीजिए. You want to be there for them, to see them flower. And I am in front of you the proof of that, and that's the truth. I've had wonderful men in my life who've been the support system, and I'm here because of that. औरतें खुद बहुत पावरफुल हैं, लेकिन वो कभी-कभी you really need a reflection. You need to see how you are powerful, and sometimes it's wonderful men in your life that make you see that. So that's the truth.
वाओ, हमें नया डायलॉग मिल गया है, हम यूज कर पाएंगे सर, राइट? थैंक यू सो मच मैम.
Thank you so much. Our next question.
Hi, you're in the center.
Alice is on our right at the back.
Hi, this is Alice Carpeter from Amarasi. My question's for Dinah. The trailer looks amazing, by the way, all of you guys. Dinah, this is something that you've not really done before, right? And it's so different. But I want to know from you, how challenging was it to play this character?
Something I've not done before, yes, because I've never done a long format before. But also character-wise, so she was not the demure girl that I've played before. She's not the boisterous girl that I've played before. But I think that she was the most real person that I've played before. so far. Just and I think that's what when Archit and I sat down to discuss this character, and I wanted to know what he had in mind about her. I think that was one of the main points that came to mind, is that we need to make this show as real as possible, and every character has to be as real as possible. And I think that's one of the most special parts about this show, is that each character has been cast so perfectly to fit the part. And so yeah, we took a lot from my own experiences in life, from, I'm sure, Archit and Colin's experiences in life as well. You know, there have been many situations in the show when you watch them which have actually happened to a lot of us, which again makes it so real, relatable, and believable. But that was always our end goal, for it to just for an audience to be able to relate. And the best way to relate is if it's something that's happened to you, or if it's a kind of friendship that you've had before, or, you know, even if people are just people. Sometimes you don't have to say much. You don't have to have like lines and lines and lines of dialogues. You can just be in a scene, and it can be extremely powerful. In fact, those are the more powerful scenes, when there's silences. So I think that's what we aimed to do, and hopefully have done. But it was challenging because of the fact that, you know, it's a lot of work. But it's also so much more satisfying creatively, because you get so much more to play with, and, you know, to get into the depth of characters, which, yes, of course, you get to do in films, but I feel not as much and not as often. Yes, of course, because this was a female, a female-led show. Not really, actually. It was a complete ensemble-led show, but because the two girls had a lot to do, and it was about the business that they get into together, we were actually in a lot of scenes, and in those 50 days, I think we worked pretty much all of, 45 of them at least. So challenging from that point of view, but also extremely, extremely satisfying. So just made the challenges so much worth it.
Grace, thy name
Sorry,
is
can
Diana.
I just add one thing?
Sure.
I have to say this after people are going to watch this show, and I'm making all these claims because why not?
Why not? This is
why
it.
not? ये शो देखने के बाद लोगों को बुरा लगेगा कि वो लोग ने डायना को अब तक इंटरेस्टिंग कैरेक्टर्स क्यों नहीं दिए हैं. She has performed like such a superstar. And by that I mean performance. I mean, as an actor, I have been blown away. You know, there's so much emphasis on being a pretty face, but she is so much more than that. And I've seen her give her heart and soul to this character, and she is, for me, she'll always be Anayata, because Annie Boo.
Thank you so much. I think we have one more question to go.
हाय नकुल, मेरा आपसे सवाल है. मेरा नाम पीयूष परमार है. आपका किस तरीके का एक्सपीरियंस रहा हो? शायद अगर मैं सही हूं तो आप शायद बियर बनाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, तो बियर बन गई या नहीं?
Please bear with us.
शुक्रिया पीयूष. बनी कि नहीं? कुछ तो बना है. आप लोगों ने देखा आज, कैसा लगा? मस्त लगा. ग्रेट, गुड टू हियर. मैं कहना चाहूँगा, मुझे ये मौका मिला है क्योंकि ये जो दो मोहतरमाएं हैं यहाँ पर, इन्होंने they decided to enter into a male territory, which is, the business we are into, the beer business. And वहाँ पे उन्हें एक brewer चाहिए था. And I'm glad they decided to trust a man from East Delhi who's a single father, right? And because of them, I got to sort of brew a lot of things together. And I think मेरा शायद तीसरा दिन, इनका तीसरा दिन था, मेरा पहला दिन था, और मुझे कहना पड़ेगा कि for me it was a new place. I was sort of coming into long format. मैंने इतना किया नहीं है. It was first time working with Prime Video, Dharmatic. सारे ख्वाब थे जो पूरे हो रहे थे. And I remember the first day, it was गर्मी थी, मई की, मड में शूटिंग कर रहे थे. And Tamanna and Diana was a champion. Do you remember that first scene? मतलब ये लोग कैसे कर रहे थे? And they were shooting, they were at it, and I remember Tamanna and I were, उस दिन we took a ferry back or one of the days on the schedule, and मुझे पता चला बाद में कि ये 4 बजे उठकर जिम भी जाती है. मुझे इतना बुरा लगा, मुझे लगा कि मेरी ज़िंदगी कठिन है. मैं रात को बच्चे को सुलाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, फिर यहाँ के बियर ब्रू कर रहा हूँ. But when I saw both of them work, ये आ रही थी all the way every day from Baikala. right? Just amazing champions. So I think both of them really set the template for what the work ethic on the show will be. And I think the rest of us just kind of flowed like beer, which is kind of, I think, trailer में दिख रहा है और show में भी दिखेगा. पर enjoy कीजिए जैसे आप अपनी beverage of choice enjoy करते हैं show को भाई.
क्या बात है. Thank you so much,
I
Nakul.
just
I
want to
think-
say, may I just say one?
Can I
Yes, sir.
from- yeah.
Definitely.
I also have.
Why not?
So just to say one very beautiful thing about Javed bhai, I think I've seen Bol Baby Bol, the dance, when I was when I was in the 10th standard or the 12th standard. That's where I saw this amazing performer who came in, because before that we saw many coming in, but this was something else altogether. So all of us boys in the school, 10th and 12th standard, we were blown away by this performance. And much, much later, when I went into college and other things, I saw Javed bhai performing comedy. And with the intensity and the seriousness with which he performs is really beautiful, because comedy is not about trying to make people laugh. It's about being very serious about what you're doing. Only then it becomes very comic. If you try to make somebody laugh, it will not be comic. And I think that's what he specializes in very beautifully. And it was a pleasure that we had, I think, one scene together or two scenes, something like that. Very few scenes. But one major scene that we did, which he even spoke about, कि आप उसको देखिएगा, it was such a delight to do that, because you've been seeing somebody from your school days, and then your college, and then now you're doing a beautiful sequence with him, a scene, and that was a scene that gave me so much of space to just blow my mind out to whatever I wanted to do. And this was not planned between the two of us. We never spoke about it. It was like a beautiful jugalbandi between two performers. And Javed bhai was kind enough to be there continuously without asking me or stopping me to say, "Ruk, mujhe bata do de tu kya karne wala hai." Nothing of that sort. We just went on with it so beautifully, and it's come out to be very, very beautiful. And so thank you for that, Javed.
Thank you, Neeraj bhai. Thank you.
Oh man,
I
thank you
just have
so
a
much.
small thing to say.
Of course.
To
Why
all
not?
the journalists who are going to be making the reels and the content, we are writing hashtag women slaying in men fields, and it's giving LEGENDARY.
Oh my
legendary.
God. Thank you.
Yes.
That's
so that is
amazing.
the memo. If I see anything else, I'm blocking you. Deadass.
Can I just ask one question जो हमें बहुत often पूछा जाता है,
I was
but
just
आज
gonna
मेरा
say
मन कर
तमन्ना.
रहा है, sorry आपका काम भी मैं करना चाहती हूँ, पता नहीं क्यों.
कर लीजिए.
But एक आखिरी सवाल. Normally when women act together, they always like आपके बीच में fights नहीं हुई, आपके बीच में ऐसे नोक-झोंक नहीं हुई, ये बड़े सवाल पूछे जाते हैं हमको. No. I want to ask the directors. अर्चित एंड कॉलिन, आप लोग तो बिल्कुल अलग अलग दुनियाओं से हो, बट हाउ वाज योर एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ वर्किंग टुगेदर? दैट इज, आई एम श्योर एवरीवन वांट्स टू नो हाउ यू गाइस फेल्ट अबाउट इट. कॉलिन,
Were we catty enough for you?
Are you talking about you guys or us?
no, I'm talking
You
about
guys.
them. I'm talking about your interpersonal relationship.
Oh, I thought you were asking them about us.
You can talk about us also, but first talk about yourself. Colin, please tell us what was your personal experience. आपने कुछ नोक झोंक हुई?
बिल्कुल नहीं actually. I'm so lucky and grateful that I get to work on shows like this because of my home, Dharmatic Entertainment, my second home, Amazon Prime Video. And Archit asked me if I would work on this series, and I immediately said yes, because obviously it was written very well. I want to mention the writers here, Mithun and the entire team of writers. We had a wonderful script in place. And then when I heard the cast, I was like, of course I'm going to work on this. I will never get to work with such an illustrious, amazing cast. Like all of you all have said, you all have spoken about Neeraj sir, Javed sir, Shweta ma'am, Sufi, Tamanna and Diana, Nakul. We've had a great time. Even Ran Vijay, who's not here today. But I think it's बहुत बड़ी गलत फहमी है कि हमें बहुत दूर बिठाया गया है अर्चित और मुझे. Actually, we worked very well together. Our partnership is very strong, was very strong. And, I hope Archit says the same thing, but yeah.
बहुत cute, बहुत ज़्यादा. मतलब अगर मैं दर्शा सकती आप दोनों कितने cute हो साथ में. You both have been like such
But
pillows.
kudos Tamanna
Archit,
for
go ahead.
asking that question. Really, like
अर्चित पूछो
amazing.
ना, आप भी बताओ, आप भी कुछ बताओ कि आपका क्या था.
No, I mean, it would be He would be very sad if a show which is called Do You Want a Partner, our partnership only doesn't work. He's actually the best person I've ever worked with. To be honest, like we have created this show completely from like writing stage to this. It has been delightful because of the backing that we actually got from Amazon and Mithun, of course, and the team of writers and so many. Colin and I, we work very well because we have very different strengths. So we use that to our advantage.
And on that note, ladies and gentlemen, and everybody who's here with us, I want to thank each of you for your love and your time today. All right. All of you, okay, thank you for being so honest and so real. Because if this is an indication of what this show is going to be, I just want to say, I can't start binge watching it. And of course, it's going to be on Prime Video on the 12th of September. But for right now, can I ask my wonderful cast and crew?
And I just want to add quickly, Prerna, who has been, this is her
Hi,
baby.
Prerna.
She
Round
has
of
developed
applause.
it from
Prerna.
the beginning.
Prerna, stand up here.
Thank you for making this for us. Thank you.
Possibly our strongest support system has been Prerna and Nandini, Nidhi, Arsh and Nishant who not made it today, the writers team. Thank you everyone for coming. Thank you so much.
और आप सबको आगमन. Thank you so much.